Hello friends, welcome to the Techno Ocean. Today we are going to discuss Python libraries for class 12th, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. These libraries we will discuss for today's session. So let's begin discussion. First point, introduction to Python libraries. Python having many libraries in its built-in module. We can use any kind of library as per our requirement. So before using any kind of library, we have to import that library in our program. We have to import that library and then we can use. So here we are discussing about NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. These three libraries we are going to discuss today. And what the meaning of libraries? Libraries basically used for scientific and analytical purpose. And these libraries allow us to manipulate, transfer and visualize the data. So let's talk one by one about each and every libraries. So NumPy for class 12 informatic practices, NumPy. Here what is NumPy? NumPy means numerical Python. Simple word, NumPy means numerical Python. It is complete package that we can import in our program if we are going to do numerical data analysis and scientific computing kind of things. Then we can use this in our program. We have to import just. And one more thing, NumPy also going to use for multi-dimensional array objects and also having some function and tool to work with these arrays. Okay, and as per NumPy, the element of an array is stayed together in memory continuously. It will be in the memory, so we can quickly access. This is all about NumPy. Now next, Pandas. Pandas means panel data. Panel data. It is high level data manipulation tool used for what purpose? For analyzing data purpose. And it is very easy to import and export data using Pandas library because it is a rich of set of functions, many functions inside Pandas. And who is the author of Pandas? The author of Pandas was Matney. And Panda, inside it having three data structures. What these three are? Series, data frame, panel. As per our syllabus, only series and data frame we will discuss. So now move to the next point. Matplotlib. What is the use of Matplotlib? Basically we are using Matplotlib for plotting graphs and visualization of the data. Using Matplotlib, it is easy to write many line code in few lines, in just few lines, and we can draw different kind of charts, histogram, war chart, scatter chart. These kind of charts easily we can draw using Matplotlib. It is also built on, not in. It is also built on NumPy and is designed to work well with NumPy and Pandas. That all about Matplotlib. Now next, What is the need of Pandas library? We are having Pandas, then what is the need of Pandas library? Everything having its own value, own need. So as per this, Pandas library also having its own need. So here some points are there. So first point, the first point informing us, if we need homogeneous data, so we can use NumPy, because data frame is storing different type of data, and only NumPy can store same type of data using continuous memory allocation. Now as per second point, there is a similar interface for operation just like loading, plotting, selection, joining, group by, which come very handy in data processing application. Very easy to process the data. And third point, in the third point, what the thing is there? In the third point, we get data. We can arrange the data in column, data using data frame, and very easy to keep track of data. And now last point, as per the last point, we can easily show the data in tabular format of the data using NumPy, and also we can apply numerical array based data manipulation, data operations with the Pandas library. So that all about need of Panda libraries. Now next, how to install Panda library. Question is how to install. If you want to install Pandas library, so for installation purpose you have to just type one command, but keep remember the internet is compulsory. Internet, INTERNET, already simple. Without internet you cannot execute these two commands. So internet is compulsory while installing Pandas. And one more thing, it is also must to pre-install Python. If you are not pre-install Python, then you cannot execute these two commands. So first you install Python, also keep connected to the internet, then apply following command. In command mode, pip install Pandas or pip3 install Pandas, then Pandas will be installed in your computer, and then you can use Pandas having both library NumPy, so it will be installed. It is easy. If you want to install NumPy separately, so same command, only in place of Pandas you write NumPy. Now what are data structure inside Pandas? Pandas having basically three data structure already I told: series, data frame and panel. But as per our 12th class informatic practices syllabus, only these 2 points will be there. So we will discuss series and data frame in detail. Okay, one by one every point we will cover as per our syllabus. So for today, these are my following questions explaining following libraries of Python: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and next important question, how to install Panda library in Python. These all are simple question, easily you can answer, so answer it. Now for today that's enough. If anybody having any doubt, you can ask, you can comment, and you will get the PDF from the description link of the video. So in last, as usual, I am requesting you, please like, share and subscribe if you want to get these kind of videos that will help you a lot for your study. Thank you. Bye bye.